Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. I had a low beam headlight to replace in the 2007 Audi A4, and as always with a DIY opportunity, I turned the camera on. As you can see, Audi considers this a dipped headlight. But I didn't properly pay attention and ended up replacing a perfectly good high beam bulb initially. So this video will cover replacement of both the high and low beam bulbs. I'll start in the video with the low beam. I'm working on the driver's side, which is nearly unobstructed. If you're working on the right side, the air duct will have to come off. Remove these two screws in the front. The duct can be separated and pulled away here. Or pull out this clip holding the small tube at the back and pull away the full assembly. The high and low beams turn out to use the same bulb, an H7, which happens to be marked on the body of the headlight assembly as shown. With each, there's a cover to pull away. For the low beam, there's a clip at the top. Push it towards the back and pull the cover upward to free it. It's very difficult to get a hand inside due to the power steering reservoir, but it can be done. This is what it looks like on the inside. Note that the flat part of the bulb is at the top. The idea to release it is to push the three clips shown outward to release the bulb. I pushed one without being able to see it, and the bulb came away. The repair manual calls for the connector to be removed first, but I pulled both away together. This eliminates at least one blind reconnect move. Note here to never touch the glass of the new bulb. They get very hot, and skin oils on the glass will cause the bulb to fail. Push the new bulb into the socket, then push them both into the housing with the flat edge up until it clips into place. Slip the cover back into place as well. On the right side, replace the air duct and secure the two screws. A little patience will make sure that the ductwork slip back in together properly. With the high beam, this metal clip holds the cover in place on either side of the car. Push it to the side. Again, the bulb is held in by three clips, and only one needs to be pushed to the side to have the bulb come free. In this case, I noticed that the insulation covering the wires had several cracks. I taped each one with the results shown. There was no indication of actual degradation of the wires themselves, and of course it was working before and after the bulb replacement. Push the socket back on the bulb and the assembly back into the housing until it clicks. Replace the cover and the clip. Again, on the driver's side, replace the air duct and secure the two screws. And as before, be sure that the pieces of ductwork slip back in together properly. And you'll be good to go. For more automotive help, generally covering keyless start issues and warning lights, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.